How to fix if your laptop or PC is hanging. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily fix if your PC or laptop is lagging too much. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. So the first thing you need to do here, if you are facing the issue of lag, then you just have to press 3 keys together. Let me just show you guys. So the first key you have to press is Control, and then press Shift, and then the Escape key right here on top. It will open up your task manager like this. And once your task manager is open, you will see the list of your apps. So you can see which app is consuming the most amount of your CPU and your memory. And in that case, you can just go ahead and right click on that and then end task. And once you do that, your hanging problem should be fixed. And if you want, you can just select the app and click on end task. And if you want to run a new task, you can go ahead and tap on this to run a new task. So just make sure to go through all of the apps where the one that is consuming more of your CPU and your memory, you can just end it and head over to startup apps. Make sure that all of the unnecessary startup apps are disabled like this. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.